Welcome back to Waldron 3D Workshop. Really excited to share with you the next project I've been working on here. And people often ask me, what is it that gives me inspiration for each of my sculptures? And really, it typically comes from a single piece of wood, a distinguishable feature in that wood, say like an eye or a beak or a mouth or something like that. And then that gives me direction. And then from there, I don't control or anything what the sculpture is going to look like. I just add one piece at a time and feel my way through, listening in my relationship with God and trying to learn how to follow and trust. And really, as it comes about, I discover the various aspects and elements of the sculpture, the scale, the expression, and whatnot. And in this case, this direction piece was right here. And if you can see, to me it looks like an eye of a baby elephant. And that piece actually transitions up into what now is the trunk. And as he's stretching and reaching as high as he can up into the tree branches here. And I just really like the expression. I love the addition of the baby tusk here. And yeah, I just really like where it's going and what's happening in this process, and excited to share it with you and discover along the way what it's going to look like in the next Waldron 3D workshop.